G'day Australia, Coram from Audiocom and Universal Fuse. Here, we've just fitted an MTX speaker upgrade into the rear door of a Hyundai iX35. Now I'm going to go over this quickly for you. This is a pack available from Audiocom stores or Universal Fuse, a specific pack that includes a Hyundai specific mounting adapter and a plug and play interface. Why won't you focus? There we go. A plug and play speaker interface that will let you remove the factory speaker and then simply plug and play the new MTX speaker into the car, so you don't have to do any soldering. Now first, of course, you've got to pull the door trim apart. So let me quickly go over the steps there on the other side of the vehicle, which hasn't been upgraded yet. So you've got a few screws to remove. First of all, you've got this one up the top here. You've got to pop out that little cover panel. There's a Phillips head screw underneath there. You've got a second one down here on this door trim. You've got another one of those in the door handle. You've got to pop the little cover up. It's a Phillips head screw as well. And then you've got another one behind the door handle here. Just pop that little cover off again with a small sharp blade or a pick tool, and then get your Phillips head screwdriver into there to take those screws out. Once you've got those few screws out, the rest of the door trim will pop off. You don't necessarily have to pop off this little triangle piece here, but you can. It will make it a little bit easier to get the door card off. Once they're out, the door card clips outwards from the bottom. You just grab the bottom of the pocket and pull slightly. It'll pop out and then lift up off the little ledge here at the top. Be careful of your tint as you pull the door trim away. You don't want to mark that tint on the way out. Once you've got the door card off, then your door will look a lot like this. You'll need to unplug that little connector as the door card comes off. You hang the door card up as out of the way, out of harm's way, like we've got on those little storage hooks there. And that gives you plenty of room to work professionally and get your speaker upgrade done. Now the factory speaker just screws out of these 4 points quite easily. Phillips head screws, factory speaker comes away. Let's show you that now. We've got that just in the back of the car here. So that's the original speaker that came out of the car, just a very basic paper cone, single cone woofer, very limited on sound performance and potential. So we've now taken that out and bolted in the MTX speaker upgrade in its place. Completely plug and play. Everything just fits straight in. It's a cinch. Then you're able to reinstall the door card quite quickly and easily again. Just plug that in, refit your 4 fasteners, clip all those little cover panels back onto place, and you've got yourself an excellent MTX audio speaker upgrade in your Hyundai iX35. Rear doors, the process for the front doors is exactly the same. We'll have that up in another video for more detail. You can see it in progress there behind me. Thank you for watching as always. Hit that subscribe button down the bottom, and we'll see you again for more DIY tips and tricks and upgrades soon.